Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Shiv from my Sagada channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Virgo. Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ang ating masasagap for today's video? So, kanino na naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay nyo ang ating masasagap? And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every moment. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Okay. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Virgo. Angel Spirit, please give me information. Ano kaya message sa inyo ng Spirit, guys, ang ating masasagap? There's a hangman. So, ibig sabihin, there's a pause or there's a delay. So, ibig sabihin, may mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay nyong ang bagal ng sitwasyon, no? Kumbaga, ang bagal ng response, ang bagal sa nakaganapan sa buhay nyo. Kung may inaantay kayong balita, parang ang tagal-tagal, no? And of course, pati sa pag-process ng inyong mga documents, process ng inyong mga inaantay na loans, at the same time, may mga bagay na inaantay kayo, napakatagal. Okay, additional messages. Okay, there's a Knight of Cups. Don't you worry, there's an offer. Etong offer na to is a creative romance. So, ibig sabihin about sa love life. At the same time, there's, kumbaga, okay, there's a charming, kumbaga talagang lakas ang tama mo dito. Ganon. And there's a magician na there's a manifestation, no? May mga bagay na manifest ka. Wow! There's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money, big opportunities, new promotion or new job. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. Kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang magpasok sa iyo ng finances. Kung there's a giving and receiving information. And of course, sabi sa dito, there's a gift and help from ating universe. And there's a balance. Magiging balance ang iyong dating sa finances. Because there's a devil card, there's a pause. Kumbaga, kaya nagkakaroon ng delays that because of there's a more negativity around you. Kumbaga, there's a lot of blockages. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries dito. I-clear mo yung boundaries mo at the same time. Sinasabi sa dito, there's a toxic energy. What is the Knight of Cups? There's a Death card. So, itong offer na to ay matatapos na, no? There is an ending and a new beginning and transformation. Kumbaga, itong offer na to, kumbaga, hindi mo siya mapipigilan. At the same time, what is the Magician? Magician represent the Sun card. Clarity, positive energy. Kumbaga, there is a Sun card for success. Kumbaga, magsasuccess ka in God perfect time, no? Kumbaga, ito yung binigay sa'yo ni God o ipagkakaloob sa'yo. You have a will power. And of course, what is the Ace of Pentacles? There's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness. So, ibig sabihin, itong new material offer, new promotions, kumbaga, ito yung opportunities na darating sa'yo ay magdadala sa'yo ng happiness. And of course, there's a Three of Swords for reverse, from the recovery, and of course, releasing pain. So, ibig sabihin, about sa finances na nangyari sa nakaraan mo, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng pagbagal na pagpasok ng pera. Kumbaga, ito na, kumbaga, nandito sa chart na to na magtutuloy-tuloy na at magkakaroon ka ng balance. At the same time, what is the Hangman? The Hangman represent, there's a Five of Wands. So, nagbibigay sa'yo ng conflict. Ha? Kumbaga, ito guys. For your, kumbaga, additional messages for you. Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-cleansing. There's a lot of negativity. Some of you, there's a black magic involved. Kumbaga, ayun yung nagbibigay komplikado sa inyo. Kung bakit ang bagal ng pasok, bakit parang ang bagal ng usad, or bakit ang bagal ng mga bagay-bagay. Or sinasabi sa dito, may mga perang nakahawakan ka, pero ang bilis-bilis talaga mawala. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito, guys, kumbaga, pinapabagal niya yung pagpasok na magandang pagkapalaran sa'yo para yung mga naipon mo lumabas lang. What is the Nine of Cups? There's, and of course, a Death card. Represent King of Wands. There's a taking control. So, dapat makontrol mo to. Kumbaga, dapat ito yung katapusan ng eksena na to na dapat mo makokontrol na. Tapos na yung delays, tapos na yung cancellations, tapos na yung blockages na yan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na dapat makontrol mo. What is the Magician and the Sun card? There's a Queen of Pentacles, a King of Pentacles, being practicality, being a leader, no? Kumbaga, there's a prosperity lies ahead. Kumbaga, parating na magandang bukas at magandang nakalaan. There's an abundance coming in. What is the Ace of Pentacles? The Ten of Cups. There's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a long-term investment, long-term success, and long-term relationship. Or there's a harvest time, no? Makukuha mo na what you deserve. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Three of Swords? There's Queen of Swords. Kumbaga, malayo pa lang tanaw mo na yung bigger picture of yourself, no? Natatanaw mo na. Kumbaga, ngayon nalalaman mo na makakaalis ka at makakausad ka na sa bangungot ng kahapon. Kumbaga, sa dami mong pinagdaanan in this past few years or this past few months, kumbaga, eto na, makakabangon at aahon, no? What is the Hangman? Of course, the Devil card and the Five of Wands. There's a Two of Pentacles, being a balance. So, there's a choices and there's a decision. There's a multitasking na kailangan mong gawin. Weighing up an option. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan timbangin mo yung mga options mo. And of course, there's an Empress card. There's a revert. So, may mga bagong eksena o bagong bubuhayan na panibagong kaganapan sa buhay mo. Or i-unlock, no? Maraming i-unlock na opportunities. At the same time, there's there's a lesson learned. Marami ka dapat na natutunan. There's an education and there's a belief system of yourself. At the same time, there's a religious belief. Kumbaga may mga pinapaniwalaan ka about sa spirituality, pero kasi isa lang ang pinapaniwalaan natin, God. And of course, there's a freedom. Kumbaga, there's a Eight of Wands in the Eight of Swords in reverse. There's a freedom. May kalayaan ka na mag-decision. There's a new awareness and there's a release and of course there's an information na magdadala sa iyo ng happiness. There's a waiting game. Kumbaga ito yung inaantay-antay mo. What is the Six of Cups? Six of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Queen of Swords. There's a full card. Leap of Faith. So there's a new beginning and leap of faith. Magtiwala ka in God, perfect time in God. Kumbaga there's a process and progress, no? May mga bagay lang na kailangan mo munang antayin, sabaan yung pasensya, kumbaga pagdaanan, no? What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome sa sa'yo is the Eight of Cups. There is some moving on or getting away from the situation and letting go and abandonment. And there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So, ibig sabihin, may matutupad ng pangarap mo na kailangan mo munang bitawan tong toxicities na to. So, kailangan mo munang makaalis sa blockages na yan, sa negativity na yan. So, there's a black magic involved. So, kailangan mo munang ma-release at ma-cleansing, ma-detoxify lahat. At the same time, there's a Nine of Wands. There is a final push. So, kailangan alam mo yung galaw mo at kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? There's a perseverance na kailangan mong gawin. So, hindi mo yan agad-agad makukuha. Kailangan mo muna magtiyaga para may nilaga. Ganon. What is the Love Oracle cards? What is the Love Oracle cards? There's a Dragonfly. So, there's a heal and change and seduction. So, ibig sabihin, there's an attraction or flirting or dating someone. Or sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang nakuha mo yung yung appeal or nakuha mo yung kumbaga na-attract mo sila. No, gamitin mo yung kakayanan na yan para mas lumakas ang iyong negosyo o yung hanap buhay mo or someone na kay makakatulong sa'yo in the near future. So, what is the chakra message? Okay, what is additional messages? Okay, there's acceptance. So, there's an acceptance na sinasabi dito na kailangan mo tanggapin yung mga bagay na control mo at may mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. At the same time, may mga bagay na meron ka at may mga bagay na wala ka. So, pagtanggap. And of course, there's an abundance. So, ibig sabihin na may paparating na magandang eksena sa'yo. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, there's a toxicity or meron ditong abusive or there's kumbaga toxic energy or obsession, abusive, kumbaga there's an Kumbaga, meron ditong alcoholic someone, ganun. Para sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung gusto mo makuha yung pangarap mo, iwasan mo yung mga bisyo. Additional messages. Okay, there's an impatience. O, ito nga, nagkakaroon ng impatient na ba? Kumbaga, nawawala, kumbaga, kumbaga, nagmamadali ka, parang naiinip ka na, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kung may tiyaga, may nilagati, ha? Hindi mo pwedeng madaliin yung mga process na yan. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mong isalang-alang. There's a step. So, there's a range. Ganon. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan mo munang pagdaanan, no? Step by step. Okay, what is the Montology? Okay, Montology is your dreams need a practical plan. So, yung pangarap mo daw, kailangan mo maging practical, no? Hindi dapat ubos biyaya, alisin mo rin yung bisyo mo kung nagbibisyo ka. Kasi hindi mo matutupad yan kung mas malakas pa yung bisyo mo sa naiipon mo. No? Okay, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Okay, thank you. All things whatsoever you shall as a prayer, believing you shall receive. Ibig sabihin dito, may lahat daw ng bagay na pinagdadasal mo, kumbaga, ibibigay sa'yo at ipagkakalob sa'yo, maniwala ka lang na kaya mo. And of course, ibibigay din sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, depende yan sa faith mo, sa pananampalataya mo. Okay. What is the angel's number? Okay, there is a 14. I am practical. So, ang lakas ng sense dito na being a practical. So, ibig sabihin, maging practical ka in all the time, in all aspects. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo maging practical, ha? Oh, you are open-minded and always up to try something new. Yet, you are wise enough to stop and think before you jump into things. This pragmatic approach help ensure your time, attention, and efforts and are meaningful. So, sinasabi sa dito na maging practical ka sa lahat ng bagay. Okay. What is additional messages? Okay. Earth pulsing, there's a time in nature. So, ibig sabihin din nga, diba? Hindi mo kailangan niya madaliin. There's a process. And kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito na you're not for everyone. So, ibig sabihin, may mga times na para ka lang sa isang situation na ganito. Kumbaga, yung may mga bagay na para lang sa'yo yun. Ganon. Okay. What is additional messages? Sinasabi na embrace daw yung weirdness mo, no? Kumbaga, may mga kanya-kanya tayong abilities or yung personalities. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan tanggap mo yan, no? Yung flaws mo and of course, yung weirdness mo. And there's a spiritual teacher. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, makinig ka sa mga guidance mo or sa mga taong tumutulong sa'yo to heal you and to support you, no? Okay, what is the karmic card? Sinasabi dito ng karmic card, cooperation to perfect decision about, resulting from the fairness shown. And of course, there's a relationship, the beauty of do it with your partner. So, ibig sabihin, some of you, kung may partner, possible, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, ang ganda mo raw, gamitin mo yan para mas lalo mo siya maatsak, mas lalo siya mabighani sa ganda mong hindi inakala. What is the energy? Wow! Man holding a heart. Meron talagang bumihag sa puso mo at bumihag sa puso ni Watashi. Charis! Sino si Watashi? What is the thinking woman? So, ibig sabihin, ito yung alisin mo ha, yung being paranoid. Alisin mo daw yan. You're overthinking. Masyado kang tamang hinala. Char. What is the angel's messages? What is the angel's messages? Okay, thank you. Okay, there's a stairs. I told you so. There's a stairs. Step by step. Diba? I told you. Kumbaga merong direction. There's a timing. Huwag mong minamadali, And there is a comfort and forgiveness and support. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan. Ang nakaraan, ay mga bagay na alam mong nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages, yan yung mga bagay na kailangan mo ng kalimutan. Kalimutan para, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, para humarap ka na sa panibagong eksena o panibagong chapter. Okay. What is the Archangel Michael? Messages for you. have confidence. So, kailangan mo maging confident sa sarili mo, ha? Alam ko sa you and your loved ones are safe. So, ibig sabihin, safe naman daw yung loved ones mo. At the same time, this situation is already resolved. Nasolusyonan na raw itong problema mo. Huwag ka na maraming nag-iinarte, ha? Okay. Dahil dyan, about sa love life mo, sige, bigyan kita ng pasabog. Anong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng person mo? Ano ang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng person mo, T? I was my fault, but I blame you. Diba? It was my fault pala. Sorry. It was my fault, but I blame you. Oh, T, kasalanan niya pala. Sinisi ka lang niya. Ay, te, batukan mo siya. Nagigigil ako sa kanya. Okay, what is additional messages? Diba? Kasalanan mo, pero sinisi ka, no? Gigigil ako sa mga ganyan. Okay, sinasabi rin siya dito na you came closer than anyone. So, ibig sabihin to, T, mukhang naka-close ka raw sa ibang tao na T, nagsiselos, may selosan dito, ha? What is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? The inner alchemist. Like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and harmony. Today, through my positive thoughts, words, and deeds, I create my own light. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intentions to transform myself. In the same way, an alchemist transform lead into gold. Today, I create happiness. So, ito nga, di ba? Kumbaga, matatagpuan mo yung sarili mo being indestructible. No, walang makakasira sa'yo at walang makakahigit sa'yo. You are a being a gold. No? Kumbaga, wala kang katumbasti. Mahal ang gramo mo. Ganon. So, guys, this is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagat. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!